What's up, you guys? It's Danny, and you know what else is falling apart besides my life? My car. I don't even know what happened there. Anyways, you guys. Oh my gosh, you don't have to be exposing me like this.
So, Danny's not a bad driver, I wouldn't say. She is...
Never got into an accident, never got a ticket.
She's just really scary. Very scary. You've gotten parking tickets.
Yeah, which have all gotten like taken away because none of them have ever... Did I tell you? Oh my god, did I tell you? No, we were fighting.
So, babe... Oh, hold on, the lighting's really terrible.
Is it bad?
So, babe, what...
Wait, is it actually bad?
I'm gonna ask in a second. Hey babe, what are we doing right now?
We are going back to school supply shopping. We're going to Target right now, and I'm really hoping that we already have like the back to school stuff, like that section at Target. Because if we don't, I'm gonna just turn around and go home.
It's been 2 weeks and we're still on the road.
Stop.
This lady was eating chunks of hummus.
No, she didn't even have anything dipped. She was using her finger.
She's like, help. Why would you name your nail place VJ Nails and Spa?
Because sometimes you got nails in your VJ.
Do you want to go clean your VJ?
Wow, why is no one at Target on a Saturday night? It's supposed to be popping up.
Because Everett. Raindrop.
Alright, you guys, we made it to like the school supply section of Target, and Bo got really distracted by something, so I just let him kind of run off and go look at it. But for now, we're just gonna go shopping for some stuff. A little bit about myself. I am a college, senior right now, doing my undergrad at the University of Washington. It's my final of 4 years of university. Every single year I kind of get the same thing. I kind of know what I'm gonna need, so I'm gonna be picking that all up today. Here are like some different types of journals and stuff. Then they have different types of paper. These are actually the notebooks that I got last year. Honestly, last year I waited hecka last minute to pick up some school supplies, so like the fact that I'm here early, I wanted to make sure I got like the best pick of some of the stuff. And there's so many cute designs this year. Like, look at these, you guys. So cute, so cute. Wait, that actually looks scary on camera. No, the lighting got all dark. Almost every year, you guys, I'll pick up like one of these, but mine from last year are actually still pretty good quality. I just want to say, like, these are the ones that I usually pick up. They have like a lot of really cute school supplies from UB, you guys. Like, everything is so cute. This little ice cream pencil case down here is so cute, and it's like a hard shell one. Or they have like this popsicle one. Oh my goodness. Let's see, even on this side they have like other ones. Oh my god, avocados. What'd you get?
Nothing, it's for you.
Okay. Okay. What is it? Just kidding. That's what I look like. Oh, babe.
That's tight.
Oh my god, that's so cool actually. It looks hecka old school. This is like something you'd find at like the dollar store in the 80s, you know?
Okay.
I don't know, just the way it's printed and everything. I don't know.
Oh my
I still think it's cool.
Is this on everyone's school supply list this year?
Oh my god. Babe, someone...
Is that a thong?
It's on
With teeth?
It's one of the cases. You guys, they actually have really cute pencil cases this year. I really am kind of a minimalist when it comes to my school supplies. They never had this like when I needed a pencil case. I already have one that I'm using right now, but this one is so cute because it's just so simple. And then these clear ones, you could use this as like a makeup bag or something, and these ones too. And you guys, Target's really stepping it up. This section has like really cute affordable school supplies. Like everything is under $3 just about, which is really nice, except for like kind of the pencil cases up there, kind of around $5. Super duper cute options if you want cute school supplies that are going to be pretty durable but also aren't going to like break the bank. Like this pink hollow glitter is really cute. Then you have this black one, and you guys know that hollow is like super duper popular. So Target also has this really cute like brand of planners. I know you can get this at Michael's too, and it's pretty affordable as far as planners go. I personally use a bandeau one, but this one, it's really cute too, and it looks like It's really well organized. You have like different layouts for pages, which is really nice. And I am a big planner. It's what helps me stay organized, especially with like a college schedule. And I do work a lot. I have an internship, so like I really feel like a planner is necessary.
Yeah, I have one too actually.
Did you use one in college?
No, I mean the one that I got last year.
Yeah, he also has a planner, but yeah. What did you use to stay organized in college?
I wasn't.
This is another thing that's really important that kind of no one tells you about when it comes to college, because a lot of times the textbook that you buy, it's going to be cheaper in a loose leaf version, or like your professors will have like notes that they print out. So if you're getting ready for college or university, I would recommend picking up like a 1-inch binder or a 3-inch binder. I did that my first year ever of college, and I still have it to this day. They're like $2, super duper cheap. So definitely another college essential that I already have.
So I'm here to support Dani and her school supply shopping. Or, nah, this is a real reason.
You do? Is that on there? Yeah. Oh. Why?
Babe, did you see the poop you took earlier?
Oh my gosh.
It was huge.
Stop it. Okay, wait.
She didn't put it away though.
Hey honey,
Okay.
so what are we getting for you today?
Oh my gosh.
For you?
Okay, come here. Come here. Which pen should I get?
The ones.
This is like the one that everyone uses at school, but I heard like they run a lot. And then this one I've used before and I've liked it, and it's also erasable.
It's erasable.
Yeah, so they're kind of like the same. This is like a really big decision.
Do you make a lot of mistakes?
Yeah,
Do you?
I do, kind
I feel
of.
like your notes are so clean.
Because it takes me forever, but like...
Okay, whatever you choose, I think you for sure need that.
And these two notebooks are like kind of what I'm in between right now, because I've been liking writing with like smaller notebooks just because they're more convenient, they take up less space, and for some reason when you get to college, desks get so much smaller. But I'm thinking of like either getting this one or this one, just because they're the same price and they're about the same size. But I think like I'm gonna have to go with this one just because this brand is like really reliable.
Aw, but you love pineapples.
I know, it's my favorite fruit, but I'll just go with this one.
Okay.
The bars on my face right there. Stop. Anyways, you guys, this is my outfit today. I had a reppin' UW and then just some slides. I wear these like every day, and some leggings. This is what I wear. And yeah, this is pretty much what he wears all the time too.
No, don't. I'm not this fresh.
If you guys are like at all interested in like a diet video for college, like all the snacks and stuff that I bring with me to school, because I am a commuter. My commute is almost 2 hours to campus every single day. But yeah, if you guys want to see like a realistic view of like what I'll bring with me throughout the week to like keep myself full at school and like focus, then leave that down in the comment section below, and I will be sure to make that video for you guys. For a G unit. Just kidding. I was showing you guys the other planners earlier. These are some other ones that they have. They have like a bunch of different designs all the way down to like these super mini ones. I personally think these ones are a little bit cuter than the other one, but what I'm thinking is that like the internal design of them might be, yeah, it's a little bit more plain than the other one, but as long as you don't mind that, I think they're like a really good planner. My first ever planner that I used to death, I actually got from Target, and it was just one of those brands like that. So really just like as long as you're using it for like its intended purpose and like really trying to keep yourself on track with it, I think like any planner that you get would be a great one. We're all done, you guys. Got my very limited amount of college school supplies.